So hello friend, this is Akash Saxena and you are watching the video of English, and in this video I will tell you how you can start English if you are beginner. So this video is special for you, and I know you want to speak English, but when you try then you get stuck and you forget many words and hesitate also in front of any person. So this video is special for beginners who want to speak English, then he try and he get stuck. So you have to do such three things and four things I will tell you in this video, and you have to watch till last. Okay, so start. So firstly you have to do one thing is listening, more listening. When you listen more things, more videos, so your mind attract to new words, new vocab, new sentence, new phrase, new helping verbs. Okay, so main thing is what? Listening. When you will improve your listening power, then you will easily learn English. It's a very easy, and many people saying this one, and I also doing this one because I also want to speak my English and learn English. Okay, so first thing is reading, and first thing is listening. Okay, and second thing is you have to learn new words. New word means when you are going anywhere and you find something new, then you have to search and what kinds of things, what I have to say in English. Okay, so you have to search many vocabularies, many sentences, and if you learn many word, many vocab, then you can easily learn English. This is the basic rule of English. If you know very well in English and vocab, and you have too much words in your mind, then you can easily create a word, and you can easily create a sentence any types, no matter long, no matter short. Okay, so second thing is vocab, and what is the third thing? Third thing is, I always says environment. If you really want to learn English, then you have to change your environment first. If you change your environment, then you can come a new environment, means English environment. You meet to new person, new people, friends. When you will meet, then you will try to speak in English, no matter you know how to English speak, and you are good and bad. So I am also learning English. You can also feel it, my words, my vocabs, my English. Okay, so this is my learning videos, and I am practicing here. And okay, and last one is practicing, just I am doing right now in front of you. So you have to also practicing. When you will not practice, then you will not do anything. So if you are practicing again and again, daily by daily, then you can easily speak English. I make sure you can easily speak English. English is not a very hard, or English is a very common language and easy language. If you really doing such things and practicing and many things and change environment, and talk to your friends in English language, then try and speaking, so your English will automatically good. Okay, so I will I so it's enough for